with all the different methods, products, procedures that we have today to help reverse the signs of aging of the skin, help repair and reverse sun damage, and even the capability to roll back the biological age of our skin by 10 or 20 years, it often gets lost that there are some very simple skincare ingredients, acids, and don't let the word acid scare you, because what we're talking about today is not scary at all, just an effective, low-cost way to address the signs of aging on your skin and get your most beautiful skin ever. Hey everybody, welcome back to my skincare channel. If you happen to be new and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert. Been doing skincare for now 37 years, helping folks find skincare that will work for them, not empty their wallet, and not do them more harm than good. So if that's the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube from someone who walks the talk, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. And today we're going to be talking about some very inexpensive products, actually ingredients that you can use to help tame the signs of aging on your skin. As you can see here beside me, I have a lot of things lined up to talk about, but I'm going to keep this video quick and on point. We're going to be talking about skincare acids that you can buy either in a product formulation or buy them on their own that you can apply for different specific things or signs of aging and get some really incredible results, all while not spending a ton of money. First on the list are a couple of acids many people have heard of, at least one of these, hyaluronic acid. The other is polyglutamic acid. Both of these super hydrators, one a naturally occurring salt molecule that's already in your skin, used in many different moisturizing preparations. We've talked about so many of them here on the channel. One of note, Neutrogena's Hydro Boost hyaluronic acid line of products, from face wash, moisturizer, eye cream. That brand uses hyaluronic acid as its signature ingredient, and with good cause. By applying hyaluronic acid to the skin, you draw moisture in from the air, you help keep the skin plump and youthful looking, and hyaluronic acid actually can help other products be absorbed better and work better. For those people who live in dry climates, hyaluronic acid can be a bit of an issue because, again, it tends to draw moisture from the air, but if the air is dry, it can actually take moisture out of your skin. And some people with sensitive skin have issues with hyaluronic acid as an ingredient. A replacement for that is a synthetic polymer type of molecule called polyglutamic acid, which does not irritate the skin, does not pull moisture from the skin, but is able to hydrate the skin 5,000 times better than even hyaluronic acid. The problem with polyglutamic acid is it doesn't work well in a lot of formulations with other ingredients. So typically you buy polyglutamic acid on its own and apply it as a moisturizer or as a last step. Very inexpensive. I will put a link down for these two below in the video description box, along with all these ingredients we're talking about today. So don't need to write them down. You can find them when we're done here today. Next up, let's talk about the exfoliating skincare acids and why they're important. These acids are all naturally derived, naturally occurring acids that are concentrated to give you benefits for your skin. The three most people have heard about are salicylic acid, which is actually a beta hydroxy acid, which helps to dissolve sebum and dead skin cells that get trapped down in the pores. Very, very helpful for people who have enlarged looking pores, blackheads, and acne breakouts. Then there are the AHA acids of glycolic acid, which is made from sugar, and lactic acid, which is made from dairy sugar. And what they help to do is loosen the bond between old dead skin cells on the surface of your skin and the brand new skin, the healthy skin, the youthful looking skin underneath. Now, these two acids come in varying degrees of strengths, from 2% all the way up into the high teens and 20s, where they then become the strength of what we would call a skin peel. Most people will get great exfoliation benefits from anywhere from 8 to 14% concentration when applied daily. Again, these two ingredients, very inexpensive, can be found in exfoliating formulations and serums, but often are bought on their own and applied as their own step. The two AHAs that I use most often in my own skincare routine is to be 14% glycolic acid. This is one by Alpha Skincare. These people have been around since the 80s, and I've been using this product since the 80s. But you can also use products that are lactic acid based, like this one, which can help do the same thing, which you will find most often in cleansing products like face wash, shampoo, and body wash. Again, lactic acid helps to loosen that bond between the old dead skin cells on the surface and the new skin cells underneath, giving your skin a very refreshed, youthful look and allowing your other products to penetrate your skin and work better. Then we come to the powerhouse acid called vitamin C, or L-ascorbic acid, or sodium ascorbyl phosphate in some of the milder preparations. Now, L-ascorbic acid is a very powerful antioxidant. It also helps regulate melanin production, giving you a nice, bright, even complexion, helping to fade out age spots and hyperpigmentation areas. What it really does is help your skin cells reproduce healthier cells all the time, protecting your skin from environmental stressors like pollution, friction, and some of that UVA, UVB light damage we accumulate over the years. Vitamin C serums can be really expensive, but they don't have to be. Some of them $150 or more, others around $20 or $30 like this one. This is TrueSkin's vitamin C serum, which is that sodium ascorbyl phosphate version. Perfect for people with more sensitive skin. Going to give you the same type of results as the stronger L-ascorbic acid would, just lighter and easier, and takes a little more time. Now we come to what I call the granddaddy of all skincare ingredients, and that is retinoic acid, or retinoids. And there's quite a range of these type of products. Some versions of retinol are encapsulated, making them more gentle to your skin and more slowly absorbed, all the way up to prescription strength tretinoin. Now, the thing about retinoic acid is that it actually helps your skin heal from sun damage. It helps your skin cells reproduce more quickly. It helps even out your complexion by fading age spots, dark patches, and hyperpigmentation such as melasma. But more importantly than all of that, it helps your skin produce more collagen, and it preserves the collagen and elastin fibers that you already have. We just don't really have any other standalone skincare ingredient that can do all the things that retinoic acid can do. However, there's a tolerance issue with a lot of people because there's a conversion process that happens with the standard retinoids, tretinoin, retinol, where it has to break down and turn into retinoic acid before it can be used by your skin. And that conversion process, being a chemical process, sometimes irritates folks' skin, dries it out, gives some redness, and also flakiness until your skin adjusts. But for those of you who've tried retinol and had those issues, we now have bakuchiol, which is a natural alternative giving the same type of results as retinoic acid, but is plant-based and not a retinoid. And we have retinaldehyde, which converts right away on the skin to retinoic acid so it can begin doing its work without the risk of irritation, redness, and flakiness. So lots of choices when it comes to this vitamin A derivative that can do so much magic for your skin. New generation products such as this one by First Skincare is a bakuchiol-based gentle retinol serum. It's super inexpensive, but super effective, especially for those of you who have sensitive skin. And for those of you, or some of us of a certain age, and people even younger these days, dealing with the visible signs of sun damage on the skin, we have some really terrific skincare acids. Again, very inexpensive, but can truly work wonders on sun damaged skin, helping to even out texture and tone, helping to remove some of that scaly dead skin on the surface, also regulating melanin production so that we reduce the new appearance of age spots, hyperpigmentation patches. And what are these magical acids? Well, you may have heard of some of them. Kojic acid is an AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, that is amazing in helping to reduce the production of melanin in the skin, giving you much brighter, more even looking skin, helping to reverse some of that sun damage. Azelaic acid, which is not an AHA and is much milder, but has been shown to reduce redness and inflammation in the skin, and also helping your skin cells produce healthier DNA repaired skin cells. The usual strength of a good azelaic acid serum is around 10%. This one's by Naturium. It runs like $20. A bottle of this stuff, using it all over, will last you an entire month. Well worth the $20 if you have very sensitive skin, but you're also dealing with those hyperpigmentation issues and sun damage. And of course, we've all heard of one of the most powerful skincare acids out there, and that happens to be hydroquinone. However, it is usually given in a prescription formulation these days. A lot of FDA regulation because of misuse, skin lightening, skin whitening. It's that powerful. It really can actually reverse the discoloration of the skin and help stop the mechanism in your skin of producing brown age spots, dark patches, and melasma. Now, if hydroquinone sounds like something that might be of benefit to you, I highly recommend you check it out with your dermatologist. Look for a prescription version of that product so that it is applied properly and the results are monitored. Now, I hope you guys found this quick tutorial on skincare acids for anti-aging helpful. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. Like, share it out. It really helps my channel. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, please check this video that I picked out for you next. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Stay beautiful. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.